Okay, so we're now in the fitness area, and you can see it's getting a lot of usage. So here's some good free weights over here, some dumbbells, and then you can see people are definitely using it. So it's got a good amount of free weights, some machines, and then it's got, of course, treadmills and things like that over there. So pretty good size gym, and I like how all of the glass is here, so that's all good. And then, of course, inside of here is a pretty cool spin room. And so this spin room, wow, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spin bikes. So that's awesome. Okay, so let's take a look outside at the let's see, may not be accessible, but that is looks like, yeah, that is the dog park. So the dog park is over here, and we'll try to access it so you can see what it looks like. But what I'm noticing is it's very wide. It's very long. There's a whole lot of room here. So hopefully we can see that and take a look at that. Okay,